Lukwago arrived at the court at about 9:45 a.m. with lawyers Medad Sekona, Chrysostom Katumba and Abdullah Kiwanuka, but only to learn that one of the justices was absent. We learned that Justice Faith Monda was absent despite the fact that she had been scheduled to be part of the panel with Justice Augustine Nishimia and Eldad Mwangusha. According to a letter from the court registrar Deon Zerimane, dated March 3rd, 2015, a copy WBS TV has seen and obtained, he informed Lukwago's lawyer of development. Part of this letter reads, open quotes, that it is unfortunate that one of the justices in the conduct of the matters will not be available on that day. It is not possible to reconstitute a panel at such short notice. Close quotes. The letter was also addressed to the Attorney General and the Kampala Capital City Authority Legal Affairs Department. The panel had been scheduled to hear two applications jointly filed by the Attorney General and the KCCA. One of the applications is for leave to appeal the March 28, 2014 High Court ruling of Justice Lydia Mugambe, which ordered Lukwago's return to office. Mugambe declined to grant the two entities leave to appeal on the premise that it would prejudice Lukwago. The other application is for an extension of the Court of Appeal court order of Deputy Chief Justice Stephen Kafuma. The single-judge order of last year, March 31st, barred Lukwago from executing duties of Lord Mayor pending determination of the Attorney General KCCA appeal against Mugambe's decision. Uncertainty still looms on the execution of last year's August 21st Supreme Court order, which directed the appellate court to expeditiously hear Lukwago's query. Last year, on April 1st, Lukwago petitioned the Supreme Court alleging that Kavuma was biased and that he could not get a fair hearing at the appellate court which Kavuma heads. However, the justices at the Supreme Court referred Lukwago back to the appellate court. Prior on November 25, 2013, Lukwago was impeached by Kampala Capital City Authority councillors for purported incompetence, abuse of office and misconduct. This was on the prompting of a tribunal report whose findings disclosed that Lukwago had a case to answer and that his fate was to be decided by the councillors. Lukwago has since challenged the tribunal report. The case is still pending at the High Court. Justice Kavuma's order in effect halted hearing of all the cases related to Lukwago pending the determination of the appeal. But Lukwago, who was flanked by supporters, accused President Museveni of stifling the judicial process of the case, saying President Museveni is behind all these games to create a public despondency and give up.